Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making something different and special called the Thanksgiving hot pepper chicken. I hope after watching this video you will like and share with your family and friends. And if this is your first time on my channel, please like, subscribe and comment for more videos like this. Let's get into the cooking process. For this we need thyme, curry, paprika, salt, chopped onion, scallion for garnishing, Knorr chicken, olive oil. In this we have a tomato, garlic, red bell pepper, Jamaican hot Scotch bonnet, garlic powder, ground cumin. For this recipe, I'll be using organic chicken. It's been properly washed. I will then start by adding my thyme, paprika, garlic powder, ground cumin. This is one of my best seasoning. I love the taste it gives to my chicken. Some salt to taste. Knorr chicken. And chopped onion. Give it a stir with a spatula. Then add water as desired for cooking. Allow to cook for about 30 to 40 minutes on a medium heat. Our chicken is now cooked. For this video, I'll be frying the chicken. Here we have our heated oil on a medium heat. We are going to be dropping in the chicken one after the other. Fry till it's golden brown in color for about 7 to 10 minutes as desired. Next, I have my olive oil in a pan. I'm going to add the chopped onion. Then allow to fry for about 2 minutes before adding the blended tomato puree. Allow to cook for about 12 to 14 minutes on a medium heat. Guys, as you can see, our sauce is now dried. Stir it round to avoid burning. Knorr chicken. Stir it all around. Then add chicken seasoning powder. It's optional. Give it another step before adding scallion and onion. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention, in this video I used the white onion, but you can use the purple, anyone you prefer. Stir, then allow to fry for about 3 minutes. Here is the fried organic chicken. I will transfer the fried chicken into the pan. I'm just going to combine this for the sauce to mix with the chicken. Then I will leave it to fry again for a few minutes before taking it off the heat. This Thanksgiving hot pepper chicken can be enjoyed with rice, pasta, plantain, or anything of your choice. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.